bathroom. So here's our TV, which is nice. This is our living area over here. We've got a little desk, a little sofa. Come out here, and we've got a balcony, which is very nice. Turn this way, here's our double bed with a big mirror above it. The TV again. Come down here, and here's our closets. And here's the bathroom. So this one has a bathtub. There's the toilet and the mirror. So that is a tour of our room on the Holland America Oosterdam. This is going to be a great trip as we sail to Vancouver. Well, that's the end of our video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Click here to see the video that's best for you. And click here to see the playlist